Almost everybody I work with or mentor for the last 10 years has thought they knew who their audience was, and they were wrong. Testing your crowd and understanding who it is you want to sell is crucial. When you really dial in on a narrow audience, you're going to discover you can make a lot more headway quickly. It doesn't take a lot of time or money to build the minimum version of a marketing engine. I see people say, we're starting now for something 2 quarters from now that we're going to execute. And that's insane to me. You need to have something now that's going to be live in a month at most, and ideally in a day or two, to really move faster and learn what's going to make you money quicker. Well, I built $100+ million marketing engines. I run a marketing company. There's 9 of us right now. I'm not telling you stuff I did that worked 5 years ago. I'm not telling you stuff I did that worked back in 2003 when I got started. I'm telling you stuff that works today. The focus of this go-to-market engineering course is to teach you how to be wrong quickly so that you find the right thing to do and move forward. The core practices of how to be agile in your marketing approach, if you learn them now, for the next 10 or 30 years, are going to change how you do your marketing, and I'd like to think for the better. So if you want cutting-edge information from an active practitioner, then this is the course where you get to see how things are done right now. Take my course, and you're going to learn how database marketing gives you better outcomes faster.